Hey guys, today I want to show you how to remove grainy noise from your video. So first of all, go with your video clip into Fusion. Press Shift and Spacebar at the same time and search for Noise Reduction. Select Noise Reduction and press Add. Now go into the inspector. Add Temporal Noise Reduction, change the frames either side to 5. Change the motion estimated type to Better. And according to the movement of your camera, you can change the motion range to small, large or medium. So in my case I change it to medium because my camera is moving a little bit. Okay, then increase the temporal threshold to about 100. And as you can see, much of the noise is reduced by this. But if you want to go deeper, just unselect this arrow. And then you can play around with the chroma threshold and the luma threshold. So the luma is basically the bright parts of your video. And the chroma are the colorful parts like the red and green parts. So you can play around with these two threshold sliders and you can see which looks best for you. Then go to Spatial Noise Reduction and change the mode to Better. And again change the radius according to the camera movement. Then increase the spatial threshold to your liking. Alright, that's it. So if this video has helped you, then leave a like or sub to my channel, and thanks for your attention, stay creative and bye.